Hey everyone and welcome to CarMaster YouTube channel. BMW cancelled an M1-Inspired replacement for the i8. The i16 combined styling elements from the 2019 Vision M Next concept and the classic M1. It's a shame development was cancelled. The BMW i8 was a special car for the brand. It combined an eye-catching shape unlike anything else in the automaker's lineup and a performance-focused plug-in hybrid powertrain. BMW head of design Demigoje Duquette just revealed the once planned successor to the sports car at the i16. Duquette actually worked on designing the i16. It was a more production-ready take on the Vision M Next concept that debuted in 2019 at BMW's Next Gen conference in Munich. The Vision M Next concept used a hybrid-assisted 4-cylinder engine with a total system output of 600 horsepower. It could reach 62 miles per hour in 3.0 seconds and a top speed of 186 miles per hour. Thanks for watching.